think about, I don't want to air anyone's dirty laundry, so I'm just going to keep this really generic. But I think about, I have a friend who had a spouse who cheated on her, but they worked through it. And so one of the things that he had to do was give her access to his phone. He hated every minute of it. But she was like, you started this relationship with text messages, so I want access to your phone for at least the next 30 to 60 days. And he was like, all right, if that's what it's going to take to re-earn your trust, you have access to my phone. So he was not allowed to change the code on his phone. And she had the right to go through his backpack to make sure he didn't have any extra phones. But it was some very clear things that they set up so that he could earn her trust back.
I'm thinking about it as parent and child, not that particular couple, but that notion that when a child violates the parent's trust,